Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haki khindiat singi balala, kat kum ki bor sentiat jong katnat pulen, kaladan kejing perkhat, nakal yang katnat pulen, ba lese kadan kejing keduk drugs, hakani kanong ba Shillong, hakini ki singi bamenta. Namar kejing tua kendau, haka surok ba Zero Bomb Road, jong ke Jylla Manipur. Hendai warla kataru kinong de drugs lese kin persang ban poi ya ki drugs chakani ke Jylla khamtam chakani kanong ba Shillong. Kumta da ka bashim kabu ye kani ke jingi i jingai jong katnat pulen, bat hakamet jong ka shipho bat khatwai terek mentau nailar arja kat kendai ki pulit kila pelong ye ke jipan apshrep ye ki kali ki bawan na bar Jylla khamtam ye ki bus kamai bat ki tourist taxi. Hadien baka kanhor jong ki pulit kala khanra ye ki katok anatli ki kali hakat han maureng kaneng hakajing talasi ya Kawei ke bos kila yo ban Kurup ya lai tili kipla bat hakajing khanra lalap ya ki prapotli ki song hakador jing ki song sabon ki basong yo drugs uba hakajing khia ka baket khandai spa live program yaw new drugs layo Kurup na Kawei kalong kami ya kabalatep kerteng kom ka venaitem hokep arpusan snem karta kabadan lang bat wei padu khna bat hakajing talasi susu ya kene ka bos lalap ru bakadan sa Kawei pat ka benta ban bure ya ki mar ki mata hakabala sna karpang bat sandor hakata kador hakabala da supet ki repai ba anamito satya badang dan sa Kawei pat ka sendok sa ka benta basapo kumta de halor kani ka jinglap saya kani ka komsna ya kani ka jaka bure tiar hakani ka bos kabadan yu registration number MN04P iwei saw san iwei kabawan na ka Jylla Manipur baki pulet kila Kurup no ru ya kani ka bos bat kem ru yu nongnya jongka shosho ha ka jekran barkinong kotai khobor ka khat artrek mutau nailar arja kat kandai nakalyang jongka SP ka East Castles District ka kong Claudia Lingwa kala pha ru ka khobor ka bating jiki kimi pa bar chaka emlang sa lang hibor Kawei kumno banyele persya ya ka jing ka balami na ka jing di drugs namar kumba kalong menta ka jing panan kamyo drugs hakani ngam ba Shillong ka jorbha hakaba shikilo drugs heroin la panan kam deki hajar ngor kinong de drugs hakani kanong ba Shillong.
On the intervening night of 10th and 11th, we had put Naka at Morenkening. The Morenkening staff and ANTF team, we started our Naka around 12 midnight, and our focus was primarily on buses and these taxis. We did not stop private vehicles because it was our intuition that due to Independence Day, nobody will dare to come in their private vehicle. So they'll try to come in the higher taxis or buses. So after stopping a few of them, I don't know whether I can say we got lucky or they got unlucky. We were able to recover 3 bags full of soap boxes. These bags, they were in possession of one lady and one boy. We will be sharing details of this lady with you, but boy, as far as we are concerned till now, he's a juvenile. So those, no detail of the boy will be shared. And the boy is putting up in some children home, which again will not be shared. This lady, then once we checked those 3 bags, we were able to recover 80 soap boxes. So it is the biggest recovery in history of Shillong and Meghalaya. So after weighing and everything, we were able to ascertain that the weight of the contraband is 930 grams, which is little bit lower than a kg. So that is one thing. Secondly, while we were conducting our this thing only, so we came to know through the document which driver and conductor were carrying with them that in the vehicle there are supposed to be 20 luggages, but through our thorough search we were able to recover only 10-12 of those luggages, which were obviously of those luggage of people who were traveling, but still we were short of 7 to 8 luggages. So we kept on grilling them. So finally we were able to see that there are 3 hidden compartments in the bus. On the back side of the trunk, when you enter, so you'll see there are a lot of luggages, but once you remove all those luggages, there were 3 compartments. They were so immaculately designed that they became part of bus only. They had put the aluminium lid on it and they were bolted. So through a naked eye, one could always say this is nothing but part of bus only. For that reason, we seized the bus also, and with the kind permission of SP ma'am, we would like to present bus also, so that our intention is through media to put up a deterrence effect, that they can devise as many things and ways they want, we will still catch them.
Now we realize that there must be a proper syndicate that is transporting a lot of smuggled items into Shillong, including drugs and other things. Because this bus, it is a passenger bus, supposedly. But if you have a passenger bus which has cleverly been designed to accommodate secret cabinets and hidden compartments, it means that this has been going on for a long time, and who knows, other buses, other vehicles coming from this area also would be done in the same thing. And the point here is that what is alarming, see, now right from the very beginning we have already said that it is not possible for the police, compounded with the fact that we are doing law and order duty, we are doing VIP security, we are doing traffic, we are doing everything, that to concentrate on drugs at this small time peddlers. We can arrest 100 peddlers right now who are addicts, who will be selling, you will barely recover from them barely 0.5 gram, you'll barely recover from them less than a gram, which is just a burden to us because we have to still take a regular case and all our documentation has to be the same, whether you catch 1 kg or you catch 0.5 gram, the same work has to be done by us. But the fact of the matter is that when they reach the court, in the event that these are addicts and that the quantity and the person is ready to go to rehab, as is usual the argument by their defense lawyer, these persons are then sent to rehab, which of course they have to report to the court they are in rehab. So it's just a futile exercise for the police, which we are already as it is overburdened. The idea here is that now we have realized that kind of demand that is essential. If this kind of goods are coming, this kind of amount of drugs coming, just imagine, can you comprehend how much the demand is? 1 kg of heroin. 1 kg of heroin can supply to like thousands and thousands of addicts in this city. So this is so alarming to the fact that I wanted this press conference purely because I wanted to send a message to the people, to the parents, to the society, to the localities that it should start from an early age. Why are children of 10, 11 and 12-year-olds becoming addicts? Is there no parental supervision at home? Are parents ignoring the fact? Are parents too busy with other things? See, we have to work as a society. Our job, we are enforcers. My job, his job, SP60's job is to go and catch somebody. We catch, we put them in jail, we ensure that they don't come out. Who looks at the other side of this? Who looks at these victims? Who looks at these things? See, it is at the end of the day, it is the victim that will suffer. We had some talk with some senior doctors because we were trying to get into the bottom of this. And you know what they said, which is so alarming? They said that if Shillong and the people of Shillong do not take this drug menace seriously, that the society, the church, do not come together on this, by the next 2-3 years we would have lost 50 to 60% of our youth. Our youth would have become addicts. My God, just think of that kind of society, that in the next few years we will have a society of zombies walking around in Shillong. People who will go to any length to steal, to murder. We've seen murder case, we've seen theft. Now people are just stealing right, left and center because now they're trying to steal bigger things. In fact, few days back we've been having reported cases of theft of scooter, bikes, which two-wheelers, which now again another team I have to form, again another team has going to. But I just think that this is the kind of thing that is going to happen in the society. Why is the society not worried about this? Why are they leaving only to us, the police? We have so many other commitments, and still we are working night and day to ensure. Our job is to catch these people who are bringing the stuff. But isn't the society responsible to take care of of your young people, of your children, in your homes, in your schools, in your colleges, in your church. So that is what I am so worried about. And the other thing that why I am intending that you should see and take and expose the kind of things that are coming from the States, where a bus is a passenger bus, but it already has these things made into it. So which means that what is the intention? That means there's big time smuggling going on from certain states of the northeast and coming into Meghalaya. So now we also would like to have an interaction with other states to find out, like, come on, let's put a check to this. If, my God, if this is the kind of things that you're selling, you have seen, I think all of us has, I'm sure that every single one of us, all of us have watched a movie on the drug cartel, the American drug cartel, the South American drug cartel, the Colombian drug cartel. My God, the kind of things that people can go to. Because at the end of the day, this is worth so much. The value of what we have recovered today will not, should be
4.5 crores.
Street value. When we say, you know, we always say the street value of the drug. The street value is when there is a dry spell, the people who sell it because of the high demand, instead of selling it for 300, now they can sell it whatever they want, 500-600. An addict who's so desperate, he's willing to pay 600 for a small puria. Because why? The desperation. So the street value is the value. So this is what is happening, and this kind of recovery is to the tune of almost 4 crores or 4 crore plus of street value of the drug. So this kind of money, people will go to any length, to any level to continue by ways and means to bring it in. So this is the kind of message that we want to send. A couple of weeks back, no, not even weeks, I think where 2 people were picked up by the Darbar Shrong of Molai. And they had picked up 2 people, and from these 2 people they have recovered 2 golden tins. You know, normally these small time peddlers will have those golden tins. Now any picking up by the public, that case will go for 6. If they have any inkling that there is some kind, especially if they feel that this a person who they suspect, who the locality suspect is maybe dealing very regularly, then they should give that information to us, because we are the right agency to do the job. If you pick up, it will fall flat. That case, we cannot arrest that person, because that case is going to fall flat in the court. Because NDPS Act is so stringent. I told you from the very beginning, any seizure has to be done with independent witness. There has to be a gazetted officer, or there has to be a magistrate. It is not you people go out just now and find 2 drug addicts, grab them and then call me out. Because why? Any of you could have planned that. If you hate somebody, you can plan anything and, you know, catch him. So nobody can touch. So localities, KSU and NGOs catching drug addicts, and it's all 0.
That's what Ma'am's saying. Like, if anybody is a suspect or suspected, you can just detain the person. Do not hurt him. Do not frisk him. Detain him there. Somebody can take a video camera of that also, that they detained there. But immediately inform the police, and then we will send.
You cannot rummage through his pocket.
Do the
if the
frisking,
NGOs are really interested, if they suspect anybody, they should just maybe detain them. Don't touch them. Don't rummage through their bodies and, you know, try to search their pockets.
Then this is where actually the public or the NGOs say why police has let that person go. Actually, it's not police who has let the person go. It's because the case only damaged. The moment you produce him in court, is that, like Ma'am says, the case goes for a 6. So it's not actually, people, they get the wrong notion that police has taken money and they have allowed that person to go. But that is not the case actually.